the quick fix joists installed, we can move on to placing the CDECK boards. Let's look at how to fix the boards correctly, ensure the necessary gaps, and choose the most suitable clips for our installation. We begin by inserting the terminal clips onto the joists. And we make sure that the distance between the clip and the edge of the joist does not exceed 15 millimeters. Next, we fit the first board into the terminal clips. It's important to ensure that the distance between the ends of the boards and the center of the nearest joist does not exceed 50 millimeters. The boards, just like the joists, must not be placed against fixed elements such as walls, as they expand and contract with changes in temperature and humidity. To allow for this movement, a minimum gap of 15 millimeters must always be left between the boards and any fixed elements. For this, we use the C tool, which already incorporates these measurements. Between the ends of the boards, we leave a minimum gap of 6.5 millimeters. To fasten the CDECK boards, we use quick fix intermediate clips, which come in two types. The quick fix intermediate clip, the most common and used in most installations, and the quick fix pro intermediate clip, ideal for areas where access beneath the deck is required, as it allows the boards to be easily removed. We can choose one or combine both types of clips, depending on the needs of our project. Now let's see how to install each type of clip. To apply the quick fix intermediate clip, we place the clip on the joist and use a rubber mallet to properly seat it onto the board. Then, to prevent the board from moving lengthwise, we fix it by screwing the clip closest to its center. This screw allows the material to expand and contract evenly from the center outwards, always returning to its original position and keeping all expansion gaps aligned. Each board should be fixed with just one screw. To ensure correct application, we use the C tool, which helps us position it with the correct inclination of 60 degrees. Now let's install the Quick Fix Pro intermediate clip. To install the Pro clip, simply position it correctly and fit it onto the board. Then use the C tool to lock it to the joist. To ensure the board doesn't slide lengthwise, we fix it by screwing the clip closest to its center. This ensures that the material expands and contracts evenly from the center outwards, always returning to its original position and keeping all expansion gaps aligned. In the case of the Pro clip, the screw is placed parallel to the board. To allow individual board removal, we must install Pro clips on both sides of the board. If a Pro clip comes apart during installation, just align the movable piece with the clip's tabs and snap it into place. As not all spaces are the same, at the end of the installation, there may not be enough room to fit a full board. If this is the case, we cut the board to size using a wood cutting disc. If the deck ends against a fixed element such as a wall, after fitting the terminal clips to the joists, we use a lever to fit the last board into the intermediate clips. Then we adjust the terminal clips to the board. If, on the other hand, there are no obstacles, the process is even simpler. We fit the terminal clips to the joists, place the last board, and adjust the terminal clips to the board. For more information, recommendations, or technical details, always consult the CDECK Technical Datasheet or contact IHT.